Holy crap. I do your intro.
Okay.
We're riding a new trail, and it's wet.
Very wet.
And we're gonna have squeaky brakes, especially Eddie, because he bled his rotors instead of his calipers.
Hey, don't forget to pump it.
Dexterina. Okay,
Hello.
let's go.
Okay.
Let's do it. Austin, don't fall in the rut. There's like the world's biggest rut.
Okay. Yeah, you guys rode it.
Oh wait, my seat's up. What? Oh.
Dude, I forgot how close it was. We're gonna have to blur that out.
Yep.
What the fuck is that?
Pretty.
Toothbrush handle. Ow! Ow! For real. I'm gonna slow down because this thing's rabid. Bruh. Oh. Oh. Holy. 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 Ow. Hiya! Ooh, ooh, bussin', bussin', bussin'. But, oh! That was not bussin'.
No fucking way. No! Just needs to get off the bike.
Oh no! Oh, oh.
Throwing transition control into.
Holy shit!
Oh my god!
Oh god! Oh god!
No, I don't even remember this.
This is a new trail.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I don't like it.
Mother fluffer just leaves us. Ooh, solid, solid. Is that a drop? Nope. Okay. Oh, Tucky, love it.
Dude, it's technical for sure. There's a little shark fin up there.
What are? Yo, nice.
Let's go.
Nice, watching my bikes down there. Whoa, oh, you got that, nice, nice, nice.
Dude, my foot came up so unbelievably hard. I don't even know what happened.
That was a nice save though.
Here's my foot. I'm like, I got this. I literally went off it. I was like, I got this. And my foot was like, nah.
Nah, go in.
you see that puddle right there?
Yeah, I wheelied it.
What was that scream, Eddie?
I was about to die. It was a scream of death.
And you know, I rolled that whole section afterwards.
Nice. I just saw that fishtail. Ah, that's all gooey. Watch it, Tack. Yeah. You good?
Whoa, my end keeps going over. Okay.
Oh, this is Lower Freebird. I think I got a flat. Luke! Why are you going so slow?
Sorry.
You're good.
My foot came off. Oh.
God damn. Damn. Ah, that is a nasty trail. Yeah, Dexter. Well, that's the end of the video, people.
Okay, bye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wait.
Okay, we wait for the Chun-Li.
Cringe outro. Bye.
That's it.
But we're not gonna cut it there.
I like black people. I mean, I
Nice people.
hopefully Austin feels better. Oh, there he is. All right, let's go.
Yeah, he looks like he feels better.
Let's do it.
Okay. See you guys. See you in the next video. Adios.
Goodbye.